So hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the source code of my Discord bot. This is the GitHub page of the bot. Uh, okay, let me open Sublime Text. This folder cogs contains all the Python script, all the main Python scripts, which contain the commands. Like admin.py contains some admin commands uh, which will only respond to the admin of the Discord server. The Discord.py contains some commands which handle some Discord infos. The encryption.py contains the encryption command like encode, decode, delete file, something. Events contain some event handlers which are responsible for the all the events in the server, like join of member, leaving of member. And the fun contains all the fun commands like random image and 8 ball and a and something like dog cat commands, which returns a random image of dog cat. Info.py contains some info commands like ping, which returns the latency of the bot. The invite command returns the invite link of the bot. Bot server returns the home of the bot. About command returns the about section of the bot. The source command returns the source code of any command. The mod.py contains some moderation commands which will only respond to the moderators in the Discord server. And utils contain some Python scripts which are help scripts which will help the cogs. Okay. The index.py is the main script which connects to a database and helps to run the cogs. This config dictionary is responsible to the connection of the real-time database to the Firebase server. This is the bot. This is the bot variable. The command prefix, where we can define the prefix of the bot and the owner IDs and intents. On message is a event handler. When someone messages in the Discord bot, this piece of command runs. So this command handles the counting in the Discord bot. There's a feature of counting. These all commands are responsible for the counting commands. Okay, this piece of line runs our bot. If we want to run our bot, we simply type python 3 index.py. And this will run our bot. So we don't have to run our bot now because it is running on the cloud. We can use help command there. I send prefix the help, which returns the help section of the bot, which contains some admin commands. Discord info contains some Discord commands. Encryption contains encode and decode, which I showed to you. Fun commands, there are some fun commands also. Information contain the information commands of the bot, and moderator section contains some moderation commands. So let me show some commands to you, like the about command, which returns the about section of the bot, the last time the bot booted and the developer, something like that. And the bot server command, which return where is the bot in. If a bot is in the home of the server, home of the bot, which means the just count channel, just count server. The bot server command returns the bot server commands returns that whether the Discord bot is in the home of himself, which is just count server or anywhere else. So that's how we can use our bot. We can also kick some members. There's a member called Yogesh. This is my second account. So if I say kick and I ping, so the bot will kick Yogesh out of the server. So we get Yogesh is no more in the server, and the message pop-up successfully kicked the user. We can also mute, ban, or something like that to the server member. So thank you. This was the source code of my Discord bot. Uh, uh, you can always check. So thank you. This was the demonstration of the bot. You can always go to this link and check the source code of my Discord bot. But this link will be available in few days, because these file contain some credentials of my Discord bot, like the token and the API. So I will release the uh, I will so I so this was the thank you. This was the small demonstration of my bot. You can always go to this link, but this link contains some credentials of my Discord bot. This link will be available to you after a few weeks. Thank you.